if what we're witnessing is creation unfolding, evolution is creation unfolding, then what we view as mistakes really represent a success because they demonstrate the outcome of a fallacy. If 30 million people starve to death, according to a certain belief system, this is the automatic demonstration of falsity. So we see that falsity, then, instead of trying to prevent its occurrence in the world, we try to counter it, but it serves its own purpose. So completely surrendering the world to God sees it as not wanting to change the world, but instead to become aware of its ultimate purpose. This is the ultimate opportunity for karmic evolution, to undo negative karma and gain positive karma. If this were a heavenly realm and everybody calibrated at 600, there would be no purpose to be here. That's why you can't predict the future. The future is not possibly set, can't possibly be set, because it hasn't been created yet, because we all contribute to the evolution of the expression of consciousness. Because we haven't done so yet, you can't possibly predict the future, because it as yet has no reality. It's only a potentiality. Has no reality, so you can't predict the future because it has no reality. If you could predict the future, that would confirm predestination, that everything that is bound to happen is already predestined. If predestination were the rule, our lives would be of no value. We'd be like automatons just fulfilling a role, like something in a movie, see? Reciting a script. We'd all be following a script. There would be no karmic gain